What is up, everybody? It's your boy Diablo. Ooh, feeling a little today, but it's okay. So we're gonna get in on it. We got the Innokin plexar. I picked this up, for my dad because I wanted him to quit smoking. So yeah. I'm running Heisenberg in this today. It produces good flavor. This tank is good. I like it. So I actually have two of these. I got another one. It's currently charging. Couldn't find the box for this guy, so I got the box for the other one. This is the box. Okay, see, it's black. This is the gunmetal gray. It's got a scratch and sniff right there. Okay, probably be doo-doo butter or something. It includes a plexar mod, boom. Plex tank, boom. It comes with pre-installed a .14 Plex 3D coil. It comes with another Plex .14 3D coil. It comes with an 18650 adapter, a micro USB charging cable, a spare piece of glass, a spare O-ring set, a quick start guide, a user packet with warranty card, warning booklet, battery warning card. Now, it says this product contains nicotine. Keep out of reach. On the back, it says nicotine's an addictive chemical. It's got a powerful, efficient flavor boost coil. So, let's get in on this. Okay, as you can see, it says plexar. When you open it, you got two boxes. Okay, this is your where all the magic happens. Okay, holds your device in your tank. You got glass here. All right, you got an extra coil in your battery adapter. So if you want to run 18650s in this, you can. Okay. I will say this. I am not running an 18650 in this bad boy. I have a 2700 in this. So with this little booklet right here. So this thing is your accessories pack. When you open this bad boy, comes with your little packet. This should have your warnings and stuff in it. An O-ring set. Boom. O-rings. Comes with two O-rings for the tank, two O-rings for the dripper, and it comes with that top refill O-ring, so that way if that piece goes bad, or you break it or something, you can replace it and your tank won't leak. Comes with 3 trading cards. Okay, you got your battery trading card, you got your warranty trading card, and you've got your little I gotta go to the bathroom and need to read something pamphlet. Are they good for anything? That's up to you. So yeah, but yeah, so it comes in this neat and this little booklet, closes up. Comes with a instruction manual on how to use this. It's in English, and I'm guessing Spanish. Yes, Spanish. So, it tells you to do all the how to set it up and stuff. It tells you the button color. It shows that it takes a 2700 or 18650. It's got an 810 wide bore tip, push top filling cap. Holds 4 milliliter of juice. And of course, it's got 2 air slots, 3 clicks on, 3 clicks off. So yeah, and it comes with a little charging cable. I would suggest with these charging cables that you don't use them. You don't use them. Not unless you're updating something, your firmware wise. I would truly suggest that. And the reason for it is because you will ruin your batteries pretty bad. Like, pretty bad. That's just, that's just the truth. So, but that all comes in this little neat, box. It looks good. It's all quaint, and closes up. Looks real nice. I like the packaging of this. It wasn't bad. Makes it look real professional. Again, made by Innokin. So yeah, let's get in on this. So I'm running Heisenberg. I've got the air control all the way up. It is a one-way. It's got stops, as you can see right there, and of course that's off. That's on. The coil says it's rated for 60 to 100 watts. I think this is a 100-watt mod, I think is what this is. So, of course, it's got that 810 wide bore drip tip. It looks clean. I like the colors and stuff. I like the way it looks. It's not bad. Produces good flavor. It's decent. I like it. For a beginning mod, because this is a starter kit. So with it being a starter kit, this is good for people that are trying to get into vaping, or say you don't have, say you are a vapor and you need to buy something that'll last you for a little while, and you don't have a ton of money to pick up, a big mod or stuff like that. This is it. I mean, this is it. What, $50? You pick up this, have juice. You've got an 18650, or you need to buy one. Boom. I mean, this is it. It unscrews nice. There's the threading is nice. It's not all gunky. I'm running a 2700, a Goldsy. It's nice. You can, the screwing on there, it's clean. It's got vent holes on the bottom there. So yeah. Oh, didn't turn it on. You produce you produce good vapor with this. Good vapor, good flavor. It's a slide to fill. So you push it. Which way is it? You push it and then fill right there. I'll show you what that looks like. And again, vaping Heisenberg in this. Yeah, you just fill just like that. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, you know, it's a quaint little coil. Kind of fill it up a little bit more. So close that up, boom, and it's done. You're good to go. Just vape on it. Drip tip's a little nice. Now, the O-rings that are in that little baggie replace the ones for the tank and the drip tip. You know, it is. It's a nice little thing. Oh, and they also replace that right there as well. The one piece does. So, what can I say about this? It kind of reminds me of a mech mod. Okay, it does. I mean, it's a stick, but it's regulated, which is nice. So, you know, again, good for beginners, good for people trying to get into vaping. It's got a charging port on the back, which I wouldn't use that, not unless it's an absolute emergency. I mean, you will ruin batteries that way. It's got little designs on it. Feels good in the hand. I think it's made out of aluminum. I can't tell you. It is light. It is very light. And that's with everything out of it. This tube weighs like nothing with no battery and stuff. All the weight is the battery in the tank. But you know, feels good in the hand. I would not be worried about, you know, dropping it and hitting here. The sleeve, or this, yeah, it's glass. If you drop it, that's probably going to break. I mean, most tanks will. Man. But, other than that, it's nice. It's a little beginner mod. I mean, it doesn't have all these features and stuff to it. It's meant for it's not meant for all of that. It's meant for just this, vaping. It's not meant for, you know, ramping it up to 100, 200, you know, 300 fucking, in some very rare cases, 400 watts. It's not meant for that. You know, it's meant for exactly what it's meant for. Vaping, just enjoying it, you know, getting a lot of flavor. So, and, you know, again, adjustable airflow, it's got to stop. Now, all tanks leak a little bit, you know, when it comes to the bottom. You will get some juice buildup. It's not bad. It's normal. So, oh, I shut it off. So, how's it compare? Well, I mean, can't compare it really to this. I chuck clouds with this, and it's heavy, and it's bulky. I'm running an RDA. This thing takes 3 18650s. I mean, that's it. It's a nice little mod. You know, it does its job, and I would definitely suggest this to anybody that's either wanting to get into or is, you know, just wanting a vape on a budget. Here you go. The Innokin plexar, and yeah, it's nice. It's small, and it's eye appealing. I mean, it looks good. So that's my personal thoughts and you know, opinions on this. I'm Diablo, and well, I'm out. Let's hit this one more time. Good flavor. Good flavor. Deuces.